Good morning everyone, William here, bringing you market outlook for today, Thursday, 4th of April 2019. We had a holiday yesterday in Indonesia here, Isra Miraj, so I sincerely say happy Isra Miraj to those who celebrate, okay? And then today we'll start our day by I'll be sharing my outlook using a PSV3 here, okay? And as you can see, we'll start off with the usual 6 major pairs, and then later on the second video will be the index, crude and gold market. Okay. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and press on the notification button there, so that you can get a new notification if there's a new video coming up on our channel. Okay, we'll start off with Euro USD. As you can see in the daily chart itself, the day sentiment is bull, the KSI is red. Okay, so today concentrate on the long side in the intraday itself. But there's a new cage here for the day chart. So we might, if today's bar cannot close above the cage itself, we might see some sideways movement in the euro market for a few days. Maybe will be 1 week, we don't know. Okay, but then we'll, unless it can close above or it can close below, then we might see some more movement. Okay, and then we'll see in the intraday chart itself. Okay, as you can see, it is trading higher after closing above pivot and above the cage also, but this is not a big movement. Okay, only around 5 pips here. Okay, so currently now the day sentiment is bull, but be careful if the price come back down below the pivot, KSI turn red and it breaks below opening price of today of the daily bar. Okay, because if that happens, we might see more downside, and we might see more downside because since the day, as you can see, the day KSI is still red also. Okay, so selling pressure is still there, selling momentum is still there, so be careful if the price drops back below the pivot and especially breaks below the opening price of today. But as long as it continues to stay above pivot 2, concentrate on the long side for now. Okay, ensure your stop loss is in place and book your profit if there's money on the table. Okay, Dow Jones itself, pound itself, as you can see, there's a color change from red to yellow this morning. It closed above the cage. Okay, and a signal is given, so traders using PSV3 have entered long since this morning. Okay, since the opening price is at 3160, now at 3170.80. If you are in, if you can book partial, please book partial profit. Okay, because we don't know what will happen next, but there is a high chance. Okay, later we'll see in the intraday chart itself. There's a high chance for this bar to hit the pivot 1 level. Okay, at 216, currently at 179. Okay, but of course it might not be that easy because the KSI is red, although it is still supported by the day sentiment, which is a bull. Okay, see on the M30 chart itself. Okay, M30 chart itself, there's a long signal given in the morning, although it's still outside GTH, so PSV3 users might tone down their sizing, and this upside itself already given 10 pips here. Okay, KSI have turned to red, it stays above the cage itself. Okay, if this momentum continues, it's not impossible for this price to continue the momentum to hit the pivot 1 level at 1.3216 level. Okay, currently at 1.3178. okay, let's see. Okay, but of course, as long as the day sentiment is bull, concentrate on the long side for this. Okay, and then the Aussie itself, as you can see, there's a red, yellow, red, yellow. Okay, PSV3 users must know what is this setup. Okay, so but then remember, there's a new cage. Can you see? There's a new cage here. So to see more movement or more momentum, either upside or downside, okay, current bar must either close above or close below. If not, then we might see some sideways movement for a while for Aussie. Okay, but then KSI have also turned green and the day sentiment is bull, so the chance of making money is on the long side. Okay, let's see on the intraday itself, concentrate on the long side. Okay, this morning have given a long signal. Okay, but the KSI is red. So your entry here, if you have entered here, have the highest point is only 8 pips. Okay, and then now the KSI have turned to green. Okay, this is a good setup if you are still in the position, in the long position itself, since this bar. Okay, you can opt to hold. Okay, because looks like we might see there's a higher chance for this to hit the pivot level. Okay, only around 8 more pips to go from the current level. Okay, as long as KSI stays green, okay, the day sentiment still bull, I think there's a high chance for it to hit the pivot level. Okay, stay on the long side for Aussie today. Okay, yen itself, okay, KSI have turned to green in the day chart, but then currently day is neutral, day sentiment. Okay, so for now, wait, no need to do anything. I've seen a lot of upside here from this point, from the first color change here. There's a new cage. So traders, PSV3 users, those who have already profited from this run, you can opt to just wait out and see what the market is going to do. But of course, should the day sentiment turns back to bull, traders concentrate on the long side. Okay, in the M30 chart itself, as you can see, there is no long signal yet. There's a new cage here. There's a cage here, sorry. KSI have turned to red. Looks like in the intraday chart itself, it's more to the downside. But of course, since the day is neutral, we might even see it back trading back up to the opening price level. Okay, we won't know. Okay, for Swiss franc itself, as you can see, yesterday it came back, it traded lower. Okay, or missed the cage level. Okay, the cage itself, the high here is at 99524, the low here is at 99535. Okay, missed by 1 pip. Okay, and then rebounded back up. Okay, so now as you can see, today, currently the day sentiment is neutral and the KSI is green. So later when we see the KSI have the day sentiment change back to bull, concentrate on the long side for Swiss franc. Okay, KSI is also green. So if this upside momentum continues, we might see it hitting the TP potential TP level here. Okay, so concentrate on the long side for USD Swiss franc, okay, especially when the day sentiment change back to bull. Okay, as you can see, there's a potential long signal here after touching the pivot this morning. Okay, but then the day is neutral, but KSI is green and it's outside GTH. So maybe PSV3 users, you might consider to go in only 25% of your normal sizing. It's up to you. Okay, the Canadian, lastly Canadian. Okay, it traded low. It traded lower yesterday, but then rebounded and then closed back inside the cage. Okay, so by trading back inside, closing back inside the cage, we might see, especially if today can break above the pivot 1, okay, and this sentiment change to bull, we might see more upside today, since the KSI is still green, okay, for the day chart. So we might see more upside. But of course, since the days there's no color change yet, for the moment, concentrate on the short side. But should the day sentiment change to bull, since the KSI is green on the day chart, traders must be able to change their view to the long side. Okay, let's see on the intraday itself. See, after color change here, it tested the pivot level. Okay, if there is a color change here from yellow to red, and then the day sentiment change to bear, this is a signal to short. So for the moment, concentrate on the short side because there's no color change on the day chart. Okay, and then this might pull back to test the cage level for this one. Okay, but if this bar successfully closed, or a few bars later successfully closed above the pivot 1, the sentiment change to bull, traders must be able to change their view to look on the long side to make profit. Okay, for the moment, nothing to do but keep watch since the pivot 1 is being tested now, have been tested. Okay, Okay, that's all for the 6 major pairs of forex market. Later I'll be bringing you the index, crude and gold market outlook for today. Okay, William here, signing off. Bye bye.